Hey guys, what's going on today? Here's the update on the 6.0 that we were working on. Got the turbo out of there, one injector out on this side, and it's not what this video is about today, so not going to go too far into depth. What this video is about today is putting some new lights in the 6.4. Now, yes, it's dark, but I do have orange lenses up there, and I got the stock headlights that are just clear with the orange reflector in the middle, and these are what I got now. Picked up some Recon cab lights. Now these are clear, and yep, clear, come with amber bulbs. We're not going to use these because I have the white LED lights in there already. So, got those. And we got some pretty sweet headlights. Now these are clear lenses. They're black in the background and the reflector is clear, but it kind of looked white in the picture, so I thought it would look better. Either way, I think it still looks better. Now these lights were pretty cheap. These were $104 for the whole pair. But I really like them. Look way better than those. So let's go ahead and get them put on. Alrighty guys, it's really windy, so sorry if you can't hear me, but here they are. Hell yeah, brother. Them things look sweet. You can't really tell in the photo or video, but definitely look way better than orange. And it now matches the headlights. So, sweet. Let's do the headlights. And get chab just like that. Got new headlights, cab lights. Stupid brush guards in the way, but go ahead and turn them on. Well, that's just the cab lights and my running lights. Those aren't my headlights. Yeah, I've got to say it looks probably 10 times better. Way better in person, but oh yeah, looks way better without any orange or anything. And these lights are even brighter now since the lenses aren't all fogged up. But these were the old ones. There's new ones. So guys, if you like this video, just a short, I'll put up probably a picture when it's daylight, but or you'll actually see in the next video for this thing. Like I said, still waiting on parts. Probably will be Thursday before we get parts, but it's gonna be coming along good. Turbo is a little bit of a pain to get out. There's the turbo and the injectors, and actually number 5 injector has already been replaced. It even says Reman on it. I don't know if all companies put Reman right on the injector, but it has a Reman injector, and it was actually cylinder 5 was showing going as high as -70 on the contribution test, so that's pretty surprising. And the other one, number 6 injectors stock. So anyway guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.